Hello friends, welcome back to MCQ List Study Corner. This is list keynotes for UGC NET, SET, JRF, KVS and other competitive examinations based on the new syllabus 2021. Unit 1, SET 4. This is continuation of SET 3. Come let us go. This video covers concepts of information, characteristics of information, definition of information, 3 categories of information, etc. Redundancy of information is unnecessary and should be eliminated. Information Power Building Partnership for Learning is published by ALA. UGC is the operating agency for National Center for Science Information. Precision rate and recall rate are the methods of evaluating impact factor of any information retrieval system, that is IRS. Aggregator service, research reports, market survey reports are considered as value-added information services. Vivissimo is a specialized information organization online tool. Institute of Information Scientists joined with Library Association to form CLIP in 2002. Managing information is the tagline connecting with ASLIB. Characteristics of information. Information is structural and explanatory. Information is timely. Information is the flow of messages. Information is transitory by nature. Information is fragmented and dynamic. Information is purpose-oriented. Information is quantitative. Information is recorded and translated. Definition of information. Bhattacharya states that information is the message conveyed or intended to be conveyed by a systematized body of ideas. Bell defines information is news, facts, statistics, reports, legislation, tax codes, judicial decisions, and resolution. Belkin defines information is anything that can change person's knowledge. Berlin says information is a raw material and consists of more collection of data. Buckland identifies 3 principal uses of the word information, such as information as process, information as knowledge, information as thing. McCready et al. Says that information is a concept that is applied in multiple ways in everyday usage as well as in the research literature. Glady Elwood Shannon defines information as an invariant property of something else, a message, a signal, or document. Faraday says information as any physical form of representation, surrogate of knowledge, or of a particular thought used for communication. Fabisoft and Ali defines information as a symbol or a set of symbols which has the potential for meaning. In Dictionary for Library and Information Science, Ritz says information as data presented in readily comprehensible form to which meaning has been attributed within the context of its use. Whitmore and Ovitz suggests information as data of value for decision making. Gregory Bateson defines information as a difference that makes a difference, which is based on Donald M. Mackay. Information is a distinction that makes a difference. According to the Random House Dictionary, information has 2 sets of words such as set 1, data, facts, intelligence, advice. Set 2, information, knowledge, wisdom. Categories of information. Information may be categorized into 3 such as statistical, descriptive, and analytical or interpretative information. The process of information analysis involved 6 steps such as selection, evaluation, validation, standardization, summarization, and synthesis. Continue Set 5. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and visit my channel and website for more learning. Thank you.